Alan, back inside now. I got to say,
I'd rather be out there.
What a glorious day, right?
My scientific mind very curious now because I was observing outside. We were out on the weather deck, and I went out, where the traffic is, and by far the most waves I have gotten from people driving by. And I'm thinking it's the 70s.
No, it's 2026. Yes,
yeah.
It is the 70s that'll do it to you. All of a sudden, people get happier. They start smiling.
Seems like it, yeah. I'm going to have to check and see if that's a thing, because there weren't many waivers back, when snow's
winter?
flying around. Yeah. We do have a disturbance out to the west. This will be the catalyst for tomorrow's shower and storm production. It's going to take a little bit of time to get here. There's the warm front helping to get that west wind in, and that's what's supplying a lot of the mid-coast, central Maine, and into the southwestern quadrant of the state. Those milder temperatures, you see the cool air up into the highlands and the county. So tonight is quiet. We stay seasonally mild for overnight conditions. Overnight lows typically in the mid to low 40s. We're going to be into the middle 50s by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And the first half of the day is just fine, but things unravel a bit into the afternoon as that cold front out west starts to approach us. Temperatures will be in the 60s, if not 70s, into the early afternoon. And we will start to see shower and thunderstorm development into the midsection of the afternoon over the mountains, the foothills, and up in the county. And in those locations, that's where we're thinking there could be a storm that has a little more giddy up to it, meaning it could have some small hail and or strong straight line winds with it. Note the temperatures at the coast much cooler, so as this activity works east, it's plausible that coastal spots get some rain, but it's not going to have as much energy near the coast, so we're not worried about these being as strong as they get into the Gulf of Maine. It's going to be more into the interior parts of the state, the foothills, the mountains, and the county that's most susceptible to an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm. Then on Wednesday, I think the first half of the day is mountain rain, with that then sliding toward the coast Wednesday night as another disturbance swings in. So Wednesday night, Thursday morning looks pretty damp too. Could end up with several inches of rain in the mountains with a half inch to an inch near the coast through Thursday. Things quiet Thursday in the afternoon, drier air around the backside of that low, and that dry air stays with us through Friday, and it's also going to be cool with that northwesterly flow. Mother's Day weekend, upper level pattern conducive for cooler and perhaps an unsettled outlook into Saturday and Mother's Day. So I don't think it's a wash, but it doesn't look perfect this time around for Mother's Day. Seas 5 to 8 feet, water temperatures in the middle 40s, and note the wind south 15 to 25 knots. It's going to be a bit choppy on area waters with that wind coming in from the south. Cooler, still unsettled into Wednesday, and more so Wednesday night and into Thursday. I think that's going to be a pretty damp period of weather there. Thursday, Friday, quieter with drier air coming in, but also cooler on that northwesterly breeze, and there's that somewhat unsettled Saturday and Mother's Day with highs a little bit below average, but at this point wouldn't surprise me to see a few showers, but it doesn't look like a wash. It doesn't look like just steady rain or anything like that.
We can work our plans around that.
Yeah, I think so.
Thanks, Alan.